Good morning, Armor Insiders. Welcome to the morning meeting of our virtual hedge fund. A lot of things going on, so let's jump right into it. Some changes yesterday to the big picture of the portfolio, but a lot of opportunities still all over the marketplace. And so we'll go over highlighted stocks of the day, highlighted groups of the day, where we're moving money away from a group and into other groups. So as always, whatever I talk about, you guys figure out how it fits your risk tolerance, your goals, be the smart money, make your own choices. We also, in the macro fund, made some changes. We removed our energy position, which was about a break-even trade there on OILK. We removed XLE. As you can see, it went through the stop there, okay? But where did we rotate capital? Well, it looks like it's time to pay attention to the precious metals group again. So what I'm sharing with you now are the steps of different groups. You know, we manage money, day trade, swing trade, invest. This is the swing trade portfolio of indexes and group ETFs. We call that the macro fund. So a reduction, if you're trying to keep up with me and take notes, a reduction in some of our big tech stocks and a swap out of energy into more precious metals is what we did yesterday. So we already have our physical gold and silver positions, of course, but what we did yesterday was pick off our mining stocks again. So, and we made room by swapping out of energy. So we buy Nugget, but I'm looking at GDX as the entry point here. So we're just in a nice uptrend. I've been looking for that entry point to add more after that green box in here. And we picked it off yesterday morning, really right off the open. We made this swap right off the open. So we got long. This is a 3-minute day trading chart now. So we got long right in here off the open, and it closed higher on the day. We stayed with it. And the same thing is true for the silver stocks, which we picked off right in here off the morning trade, and they closed on their highs. And so we stayed with it. So it looks like these stocks are building the base, and then here are the quads. These are our 4 positions. So the answer is yes. I can already hear you asking me questions. What about this stock? What about that stock? Yeah. If I'm buying the ETFs, it means your favorite stock, it's open season on favorite mining stock. We talked about building our own ETF, and to me, it's just too many stocks to trade. But I'll go over my favorite names. And if you don't like buying the ETFs, or if you wanted longer term exposure, like why would I buy the stocks instead of the ETFs? Well, because the ETFs, I'm swing trading, and this is what's in my macro fund, and that's what I do. I swing trade in the macro fund. If I'm looking to invest, well, we've been long and Newmont since what is this? March 1st of this year. We got long Newmont March 1st of this year at 31.64, and the stock's going straight up. And we're picking up a dividend. That's how I invest. I put it in stock. Okay. If I wanted to make more investments that I intend to stay with, where I use weekly stops, not daily stops, I would probably go with wheat and precious metals, which are the royalty plays. Royal Gold, and I think Franco-Nevada is probably a turnaround story down here. Osisco's leading. All right, if I wanted to go with my favorite silver stocks, it would be Coeur d'Alene, it would be Hecla, it would be Mag Silver. If I wanted to do something really crazy, I'd do Discovery Silver, DSVSF, which is a tiny stock I think can go up a lot. So if I wanted to make some investments in let's say the Armor Special Situations Fund, I'd go with some of those names, and I still may. But first thing to do for me is get more exposure in the swing portfolio. And that's what I did yesterday. Swap. Everybody have a wonderful trading session. Armor Report subscribers are on your own right now, as usual, but feel free to put a question in the comment section. I'll answer it. Armor Insiders, 9:30. We'll get the live stream going. And anyone else who feels like you need a little bit more one-on-one, hey, feel free to give me a call. 561-575-6832. I'm happy to chat with you and help you work your way through it. Okay? Everyone have a wonderful trading session. And at the end of the day, be the smart money.